You just never know what you're going to see around the corner. Every corner shows you something different, from seas to mountains to woodland to open countryside. It's just beautiful. You're going to get a lot of exercise when you get onto these paths, and it's good for the heart and good for the soul.
You can get your child moving.
Yeah, and off the sofa. What you're going to experience here is nature, everything to do with nature, every aspect of it almost.
Most of it's beautiful.
And by the end of your day, you're going to just feel just relaxed.
You're very tired.
Yeah.